What is going on, guys? It's your boy Mr. Credit and Cash, and I'm back with another video today. Today we're going to be going over a card called Jasper card, and basically they're issued by WebBank. They're giving you up to a $5,000 credit limit. Again, this is up to. It isn't $5,000 on a dot. It can be 200, it can be 300, it can be 500, 1,000, 1,500, but there's no exact guarantee that you're going to get approved for this card. But it in high sense shows that typically maybe everyone could be approved. I'm not going to say everyone. I'm going to be going a little bit details. We're going to talk about the pros of this company. We're also going to talk about the cons of the company as well. It looks like it's more so geared towards people that's coming into the U.S. on work visas or people that's new to the country. I guess this would be a good card for you guys to start off with. People that don't have social security numbers or anything like that. It's a decent card to start off with. But basically, you don't need a credit history to apply. So it says if you have a credit score, we'll check it out. If you don't, no problem. We see you and we believe in your future, etc. So you're going to get hit with the hard inquiry regardless. There's no annual fees and no surprises or anything like that. So that's pretty dope. That's cool. Moving on, credit building partner, our unique, just to go into little features, their unique auto pay setting, push notification and utilization alerts help you manage your account and build your credit. So it's kind of dope. They give you push notifications to let you know, keep you updated on certain things regarding your account. A lot of credit cards nowadays do that as well. So that's no biggie. You can track your expensive and you can freeze and unfreeze your card and block your card. Just like a lot of other credit cards out there, that's kind of a standard feature when it comes to it. Some of the highlights right here. Again, no credit history, no problem, no annual fee, low APRs, up to $5,000 credit limit, and it also helps build your credit score. We're gonna go into the pros and cons. Well, that's some of the pros. We're gonna go into the cons as well, but we're gonna go to the FAQs a little bit. What I was reading that I didn't really like too much, but you know, hey. So basically, it says, just in general, it says, will you run my credit? Will I get a hard inquiry when applying for it? So it seems like if you are a U.S. citizen or a permanent resident for green card holders, you'll get hit with a hard inquiry on your credit report. They do report to Equifax. I think it's Equifax and TransUnion. Those are the only two that they currently report to right now. But if you're here on a work visa, and you guys can go into detail a little bit more about this, I already read into it. If you're here on a work visa or you're coming just to visit, or if you're new to the country or something like that in that regards, they won't do a hard inquiry on you because you don't have any, I guess you can say, financials or backing or background to where as though they can see the type of spender or so that you are. Let's see. I'm relocating to the U.S. Can I be accepted as a card holder before I start my new job in the U.S.? Yes, in short term. If you are relocating to the U.S. for work, one of the Jasper MasterCard's most exciting features is that we will process your application even before you start your new job here in the U.S. If you're accepted, your Jasper MasterCard will be waiting on your desk on day one. If you are already residing in the U.S., you can get your card shipped to your work or home address. So I guess that's pretty dope. I don't know if you can really guarantee. What if they don't have a desk, you know, what if they're working outside or something like that. But I'm just saying, hey, I get where they were going with that. I don't have my visa stamped and my passport. Can I still apply? It says yes, you don't have to have your US. So to me, it feels as though like this card is more so geared towards people that's coming into the US that's from another country that don't have credit, they're looking to build credit, and etc. To me, I feel as though this is a decent card. It's not a great card. It just depends on who you are as a person and if you're looking to, you know, build your credit or get some type of credit. And it's hard for people that's coming from other countries because they don't have no backing, again, like I previously stated, to where as though like these banks and these companies know how you're going to use their credit cards. And if you don't have a social security number, 9 times out of 10, you really can't get a credit card. Well, this card pretty much solves the problem for you if you're looking to do that. Okay. But yeah, so it says you can still apply by simply uploading a completed I-797 form. Now, one of the cons I have about this card is about its, I'm going to try to find it, but it's about its, verification when it comes to employment and income, right? They ask you to submit income documentations or whatnot. Like other credit cards, they want to ask for all the information. To me, I understand they're trying to verify you are saying you're making X amount of dollars that you're putting down is the truth. But at the same time, it's a hassle. A lot of people just like the ease of saying, hey, look, am I approved or am I not approved for this card? Now, I do believe that's mainly for the people that's coming in from a different country. We're going to go ahead and read into that and check that out. So again, what they're using is a system called Plaid or Plaid. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce that, but I am very familiar with Plaid. And what they do is they basically link your bank account together with Plaid. They look at your deposits that you've been getting inside of your bank account for the last couple months, and then that's how they determine what your credit limit is going to be. Okay, now. Just to go over briefly, it says, what documents do I need to apply? U.S. citizens and permanent residents, green card holders, can apply using Plaid or Plaid verification. If you prefer not to use Plaid or Plaid, or if your financial institution is not available within the Plaid system, you can upload proof of income such as a recent pay slip. For work visa holders, we require your passport, work visa, and proof of income. Again, to me, it's just a hassle, and that's one of those cons that I have with this company. I get that they're trying to verify your income so they can determine your credit limit, but there's a bunch of companies out there that's just as good as this one, or at least decent enough to where though you don't have to, if you're going to take a hard inquiry hit and all this other stuff, you don't have to upload all that documentation. That's why I said this is, to me, out of a score of 1 to 10 or a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give it a solid 6 to 5. Again, I just feel as though this card is more so targeted towards people that's coming out of the country. Again, if you look at the basic FAQs, it says I don't have an SSN number, or I'm relocating to the U.S., or I don't yet have my visa stamped, or am I a green card holder? Those type of questions aren't typical questions that you would typically ask somebody that's already residing here inside of the U.S. And again, it's a great concept. If you guys are looking to, if you're a foreigner, you're looking to move to the U.S. or you're looking to do work here in the U.S., I suggest this card for you. If you're an everyday person that already lives in the U.S., again, it's totally up to you if you want to have it as another trade line or credit line on your credit report. But to me personally, it's not a card that I would personally apply for. But I understand this could be an option for the ones that's out there that's looking to build credit, that's coming over from another state. I mean, not state, but another country. You know what I'm saying? It's just not for me, but it could be for you and maybe one of your family members that you may know. But anything regarding credit, I like to review, especially if I feel as though this would be a good form of building credit if you're within the credit world or try to build up your credit. With that being said, guys, it is your boy, Mr. Credit in Cash. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to anybody that you may think this may be helpful for or to. Until next time, guys, I'll see you on the next video.